My name is Sonia Friesen. I'm in my third year in the data science program here at the university, and I'm also doing a minor in biological sciences. During my first year, I actually took an introductory statistics course. All of a sudden, I saw this really practical application of math that I could use for real-world problems, and I just fell in love with that. And then stumbled upon the data science program. And then I saw this computer science aspect being added in with the statistics courses. And those are really employable, practical skills being added on. When I saw these two things being mixed together, it was this mathematics side, which I've always loved, but now I see a way through to employment. I see somewhere where I can use these skills.
Hello, my name is Huiling. I'm studying in data science at the University of Manitoba. I'm a second year student, and nice to meet you guys. As I choose data science because actually I'm good at math and also statistics. Actually, I'm interested about how to predict future through the data. And also for data science, nowadays I see this is the very trending things about AI, artificial intelligence. So if I want to know more about this, because we don't have experience about how the AI and how to do the computer science. So I feel like data science is a very good point. You can know more about this area.
My name is Owen Osterman. I'm in my third year here at the University of Manitoba, majoring in data science. I think I chose data science just because I've been interested in math and statistics and computer science my entire life. And it kind of combines and brings all three of those together. And the fact that data is everywhere currently in the world, and it's the new big thing. So you can really work in any field that you desire. So whether that be if you want to work in business, if you want to work in biology, whatever, there's always going to be data science positions available, so you can kind of work in whatever field interests you the most and apply your skills anywhere.